In this video, we listed the 5 best laptop stands that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Lifelong Upryze Laptop Stand. The Lifelong Upryze Laptop Stand is one of the sturdiest extendable laptop stands available. It holds any size device, even the heaviest, and can extend as high as 17 inches. It really proves its worth when you use it for standing presentations because there are currently so few laptop stands that can reach this riser's height. Additionally, you can adjust the plate angle, whether seated or standing, to achieve the perfect frame or comfort. However, adjusting the height can be a little cumbersome as the hinges are stiff. It's a minor complaint and one that is down to the sturdiness of the frame. As they say, you can't have your cake and eat it. However, you must also take care not to knock the desk or the actual frame when fully extended, as this is when its balance is at its most vulnerable. The stand features an airflow hole to ensure your laptop doesn't overheat. At the bottom of the plate are 2 stoppers to hold your device in place. Furthermore, for small silicone pads in each corner act as anti-slip pads to ensure your laptop stays where you want it. It folds up nicely and fits into any luggage if you are an on-the-go digital nomad. On the other hand, it weighs a little heavier than others, at almost 4.5 pounds. If weight is a factor, consider how important standing while working is to you before purchasing. Number 2. Nulaxy Fully Laptop Stand. Although the Nulaxy C1 doesn't reach the same dizzy heights as other adjustable laptop stands, it can still do helpful alterations. The legs are adjustable at the top and the bottom to create various angles and heights to suit your needs. If you sit at your desk for long periods staring into your laptop, this stand will help you find multiple positions to help you retain good posture. However, it isn't so extendable that it is suitable for standing presentations. Its sturdy aluminum build makes it a reliable and robust stand that will continue to support your laptop for years to come. In fact, it will support any device up to an impressive 44 pounds. Nulaxy claims that the aluminum alloy plate acts as a heat sink by absorbing heat from your device and cooling it down. There is a ventilation hole, but it is not particularly prominent and is not in the center, but your laptop will remain much cooler on the stand than sitting on a desk. Number 3. YoFeW Laptop Stand. The YoFeW laptop stand is an excellent choice for the home office. However, it requires a bit of assembly before use, so it may not be ideal for traveling. It is sturdy and lightweight and features a simple spine that is easily adjustable with the press of a button. There is minimal wobble, so you will feel confident with your laptop sitting on top. This spine can also do a complete 360-degree rotation, and you can adjust the platform to a maximum 45-degree angle. These adjustments mean you can find the perfect position for your laptop and ensure your back is comfortable by practicing good posture. The maximum height is almost 8 inches, and the platform accommodates laptops up to 17 inches. On the downside, there are no air holes for heat ventilation, so if you have a computer prone to overheating, you may want to consider a different model. Number 4. Roost Laptop Stand. While it is on the pricier side for a laptop stand, the Roost V3 is the perfect companion for business travelers and digital nomads. It doesn't resemble any laptop stand you usually see in offices and cafes. It's aluminum-free and consists of glass fiber reinforced nylon and high-quality Delrin polymer, giving it strength, durability, and stability. Even the heaviest of laptops won't break it. However, the stand is also lightweight at just under 6 ounces and highly portable thanks to its fully collapsible design. You can adjust the height anywhere from 6 to 14 inches in 7 increments that you secure with sliding locks. Even at its maximum height, the stand remains stable and your laptop stays secure. It fits many devices, from tablets to large-screen laptops. And, with patented rubberized pivoting grips holding your device in place, your laptop is securely fastened and untroubled by scratches. All in all, traveling remote workers and business professionals have several reasons to favor this stand over others, despite the high price point. Number 5. Mounted laptop stand. For anyone with limited space, the mounted laptop stand desk mount excels in space management by elevating your laptop off the desk. On top of saving space, the stand offers full motion capability. It gives you the freedom to position your laptop in the optimum position you desire. With its range of movements, including a 360-degree horizontal platform rotation that also tilts up and down and an adjustable pole height, you can easily find the most comfortable and convenient spot for your laptop. It's crafted from high-quality steel that guarantees durability and longevity. Its heavy-duty C-clamp incorporates an integrated double lock mechanism, ensuring a secure and stable mount on desks up to 4 inches thick. It offers compatibility with laptops of all sizes and boasts a weight capacity of 22 pounds. The inclusion of multiple vent holes facilitates airflow and helps prevent laptops from overheating. Furthermore, a lip at the bottom of the tray securely holds your laptop in place.